what we just learned. We learned a few things about geometry. First, we learned a couple like terms. One is parallel lines. Do you guys know what parallel lines are?
Yes.
Okay, so for example, if I use this like that, and parallel lines, they never intersect, so they stay like that. They run in the same direction, and they will run like this indefinitely, okay? So they would never intersect. Parallel lines are like just the railroad tracks. So if you have to represent them here, you can represent them like that, like straight lines that never intersect. So another term that we learned is that an eraser? Yes. Another term we learned is lines that are, what type of lines are those?
Plus lines?
Hmm?
Right angle?
They look like a
angle.
plus. They make right angles, and they're called, yes, they're perpendicular lines. They do look like a plus symbol or a cross, but these are called perpendicular lines. Each side of this makes a 90 degrees angle. So we have like this. These are called perpendicular, and this is 90 degrees. And 90 degrees usually is marked with a little square over here, right? So this is 90, this is 90 degrees. This would be 90 degrees, and this would be 90 degrees. So that brings us to straight angles. Straight angles is 180 degrees. Why? Very simple. We remove the top of this, and we have 90 plus 90. What is 90 plus 90? Yes.
180.
180. And this is a straight angle is equal to 180 degrees, okay? 90 plus 90. So we learned that. So we learned, let's go over them. We learned about parallel lines, perpendicular lines, and we learned about intersecting lines. Intersecting lines, they're like an X, like that. These are called intersecting lines. And these are various angles. We learned about angles. We have 90-degree angle. 90-degree angle is like every corner of the classroom. If I narrow it down, what type of angle is that? It's called
Acute.
acute. Very good. And if I widen it up,
Obtuse.
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 And if I straighten it like that,
Straight angle.
Straight angle.
So for example, if we have points here, and this is A, B, C, D, and this, okay, D, and this is point F. For example, if I color this with a little arch here, that'll be angle F, or you can represent it as angle A, F, and B. So the angle that we are identifying is usually always in the middle. Or you can do B, F, and then A. So this is the angle. Make sense? And this is acute angle because it's less than 90 degrees. This also is acute angle, and that would be CFD. And these are both here obtuse angles, and that will be BFC. If you notice that F, where we intersect, is always in the middle, and that's AFD. That's also obtuse. Okay? Anything else that we learned today? No, we learned plenty. Everybody good? Okay, thank you.